I'm using what a print method I'm using, and I'm using clone method. Two methods I'm using. No, so this is eligible to use only two methods. That's it. That's the difference between UVM all on and UVM default. In the UVM all on, this write enable is there na. Okay, you use in the code or you don't use in the code, that is secondary. End of the day, it is eligible to use all the inbuilt methods. That's the meaning. UVM all on means UVM default means in your present code what inbuilt methods you are using, no, by default those inbuilt methods are applying for this particular field. That's a UVM default. Okay, in the output you will not see any difference. In the output you will get a same difference. That is why they will ask you the this difference in the interview. Okay, now if I save and run, I will still get the same output. In the output I can't show the difference. Only thing is in the explanation you have to tell the difference. Okay, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, so that's called as UVM default. Okay, so even if I save this, I will run, see, still same output only I will get. Output difference I will not get. Okay, see, F28 whatever 4 before the cloning, after cloning, and after changing the inbuilt method, same only I will get. I will not get any difference. Okay, that's how it is. That is why wantedly they will ask you the difference between UVM all and an UVM default. In terms of explanation you have to explain them. That's it. Okay, yes. So now, okay, compare and copy. Okay, yes, again the same four lines. Okay, so same code again. Okay, only here I'm changing exa. Okay, no compare and so on. Okay, which means for c w data cannot be compared. If I'm written no compare, it means that for w data I can't use the compare method. If I'm using, I should get an error. It's like that. Okay, it won't work for comparison. Okay, now okay, so what method it is? Copy and compare. Okay, copy. See, it is copy, no? So as I told just now, if you are doing the copy method, you should create two different objects or two different memory, and you are randomizing two different memory, and you are trying to print it. Okay, so if I just comment everything, I will just print this one. Okay, some two boxes I will get now. Okay, so I will quit it first. Quit sim, do space, run dot do. Okay, I quitted, no, 1 minute. Quit sim, cd space, open and close flower bracket, file, open, copy and compare, copy the path, paste, do space, 1 second. It got stuck. Cd space, open and close the flower bracket, file, open, UVM labs, compare and copy, copy the path, paste it, enter. Do space, run dot do. Okay, so what I'm expecting is two handles, sorry, two memories I've created. I'm randomizing two different memories and I should get two prints. Okay, different I will get. I will not get same. Okay, because there are two different memories. See, so this is sequence item, this is sequence item 1. Different type ID I have got, different values I have got. Okay, now, so here different values, here different values. Now if I try to compare, will the comparison be successful? See, I'm comparing sequence item 1 and sequence item. See, of course it will fail, because here we have different values, here I'm having different values. Okay, now I will get a false condition. Okay, so I will comment everything and I will try to compare. I will get a false condition because both are having different stimulus, different input values. Okay, see, false condition for compare method. That's what I have written here. False condition for compare method. That particular statement is been printed because both are not having the same values. Now let me copy. Okay, so though both are not having same values, now let me copy whatever is there in sequence item. Let me copy that inside the sequence item 1. Whatever is present here means E10C. I will copy here below. Okay, after copying, I will print both. Means both will be similar. Then if I compare, 100% comparison will be successful. Okay, save, do the simulation, because in the review for every person, I know it will take time for everyone to ask to share the screen, but still I will take such review. Okay, because until and unless I'm not satisfied with your performance, I'll not close the batch. Okay, huh. See, and after copying, I'm trying to print both of the memory. This is sequence item, this is sequence item 1. See here, E10C, this is also E10C. Now if I compare, comparison will be successful. Okay, in the clone, what we did, in the clone only one memory we have taken. In the copy we need to take two memories. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, so that's about the copy and compare. Still printify data is completed, still another one lab. Okay, so here what I'm trying to do. And one more thing, as I told previously, see, in every concept there are something that you don't know, like for example verbosity, still you are not aware of verbosity. Okay, no, so in future classes that will be covered. Okay, see, in UVM 100% you can't understand about every line. Okay, because few of the concepts which will be covered in the next few sessions, for example overriding concept, overriding is not present here. Okay, means I will not teach now, it is there in the further days concept, then I will explain. Okay, it will come in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so here what is our intention, what is our concentration, is only about how to write the sequence item file, why should we do paragraph registration, what happens if you don't do paragraph registration. Okay, so what are the inbuilt methods available, if you don't do paragraph registration, then which kind of inbuilt methods you can use. All these are the interview questions. Getting my point? And difference between new and create. Okay, means registration means that question comes obviously. Okay, so these are the points that we have to concentrate. Next concept, if I go for factory overriding, there once again I will explain everything in detail about the factory. Okay, three steps as I told in the last session. What is the steps? Create, suppose if you do the factory registration, then only I am eligible to use the create. If I write the create, then only I can do the overriding. Like this, these three concepts are linked together. Okay, such concept you will be getting in the future sessions. Okay, so here one file I have written. So one array I have taken. So by looking into this array only, you can tell it is a fixed array because the memory is fixed, and this is a dynamic array. And I have taken one string, I have taken one queue, I have taken one enum. For enum I have declared it as type def, which means what, I can give some dummy name for this fruits. Correct? No, the dummy name that I have given is fr3. Okay, so in terms of fixed array kind of thing, I have given the user defined name. Okay, now so totally 1 2 3 4 5 five data types are available here. Okay, next, when you are doing the registration, make sure it is a enum na. So here enum only we are using. Okay, see, fruits fr3, fruits comma fr, like that I have written. No ma'am, I just want to take a, you can take as per your wish, but make sure the enum data type should be used here. Okay, so whichever the data types you are using here, the same. And as I told, bit is not available, so instead of bit we are using the int. Correct? So string is there, I am using string. Okay, and this is also int. Okay, int is there. Bit, if it is there, for bit also you are supposed to take int. Okay, last session we detailedly explained about this particular macros. Okay, no, yes. So this is the code. So here you can see some different data types. Okay, in the test bench, what I'm trying to do, okay, again same thing, base files I have added. Okay, next, the file which I have written here, that I have included. Okay, next, in the module, end module, first I'm trying to create a handles. Okay, two handles I have created, two memory I have created. Now for the array 1, this one for dynamic array. Okay, for dynamic array I am trying to create a memory of 10. Okay, first step. Second, car is what? Car is string. Okay, na, for car I am giving some names. In the double quotes I'm giving some names, I'm initializing some names. Okay, next I'm using queues, correct na? For queues I have initialized some values 10, 25, 36, 5, 6. Okay, and using the same handle I'm trying to push front and push back. Push means what? Like by the time I come here, push front is 8, no? So it will be 8, 10, 25, 36, 5, 6, and push back is 6, one more 6. Like this you will be able to get the data. Okay, initially 10, 25, 36, 5, 6 was present here. Okay, then I'm writing push front means according to the system verilog inbuilt methods of strings, I'm trying to push the element inside the queue. So 8 in the front side of the queue. From the back side of the queue I'm supposed to push 8. Sorry, 6. 6 is pushed here, 6 is already present, one more 6 also I'm supposed to push here. Okay now, so this is my data. By the time I come to line number 20, this is my data. Okay, next using the sequence item 1 handle. See, this is sequence item handle. Okay, using sequence item handle I did all these changes. Okay na? Now using sequence item 1 handle, see, this is a different handle, this is different handle, this is a different handle. Okay, again for array 1 also I'm giving the same memory, 10, 10 only I'm giving. Here also I gave 10, here also I'm giving 10. For car I'm giving some different names, that's it. Using sequence item 1 I am not giving the values for queues and all. Okay, so this is the thing. Now I will be randomizing and I will be printing. Okay, first let me see the output. So using two different memory I'm trying to give the value. So first let me quit sim cd space open and close flower bracket, open. I'm not able to see the here, copy, paste, do space run.do. Okay, so first using sequence item, this is a sequence item 1. Okay, see, this type id is 466, this type id is 467. Okay, now for array, this array, which array it is, which array it is, normal array, fixed array. Okay, fixed array, the memory is fixed, how much? 5, correct na? See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 to 4 is 5 only. Okay, some random values got printed. Okay, but using sequence item I have given some memory for the dynamic array, correct na? 10 memory I have given. So I can see here 0 to 9. Okay, some random values has been given for 0 to 9 locations. Okay, string using for car, Funny, Shashi, Nitin and Shravan I have given, correct na? See. Okay, next for the queue, this is the wholesome data. Okay, after push front and push back, this is the final data, correct? For a queue I am telling. See, 8, 10, 19, 24, 5, 6, 6. See, 6, 6, 8 and 10, correct? 8 and 10, a means 10 only, right now. Next, uh that's fine. And here mango, strawberry, orange, already it is present, that is what I'm getting. Mango, orange I'm getting, strawberry I should get. No, I'm getting again mango. Why? Okay, wait. 0, 1, 2, 32, 32 mango, orange, mango I'm getting. Am I changing here? No. So enum, let me, okay, rand c, c I have given. One second, let me change and check. Here mango, strawberry, strawberry I'm getting. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I am not trying to print everything, no? Okay, okay, that's right only. Wait, wait. I'll tell you. Yes. Okay. See, here what is happening? Okay, here you are getting strawberry, orange, mango, that's fine. Here strawberry, orange, orange. What exactly is happening? I will tell. See, you are taking the dummy name as fruits. Okay, that type def name, whatever you want to track now. For fruits, you are taking that fr as a name actually. Okay, Three different handles you are taking. No, first handle is printing any one of the element, second handle is printing any one of the element, third handle, sorry, not handle, name alias name, okay, third name is printing any one of the element. Okay, so I can't compare. It is not like rand or rand c. Even if you write rand, or even if you write rand c, this is individual, this is individual, this is individual. Getting my point? For example, if I write 5, okay, if I write 5, 5 different names I'm having, means I'm not trying to print these three also. I'm not trying to print mango, strawberry, orange. No, I am just trying to print any one element at a time. Okay, now I have done 5. No, let me save it, let me run the code. Now what I'll get, same thing. See, first time I may get strawberry, second time I may get orange, again third time I may get strawberry, fourth time I may get mango. It's like that. Using one particular name, I'm trying to print any one of the element. That's what it is. I have not mentioned anywhere to print all the elements. Getting my point? Okay, so here, see how many, 0 to 4 you are getting. See here, that's what I told. Strawberry, orange, 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 strawberry, means at a time any one element is printed. See here, strawberry, orange, mango, strawberry, orange, like that. Okay, it's not, my agenda is not to print these three elements. Okay, na, that's about the enum. Okay, here enum I have not initialized anything. I'm directly getting it from the main code only. Okay, yeah. Next, what is pending? That's it. This one, second second scenario here.
Ma'am,
Huh.
ma'am, I think Q elements are printing wrong.
Come again.
Q elements, ma'am.
Where is Q elements?
Like you gave some values, like those values are not printing.
I where I have given for sequence item 1? I didn't give na. See, for sequence item 1 I didn't give any Qs. For sequence item I gave the Q value. For sequence item it is printing na. See.
That only, ma'am, I'm saying like they are wrong. I think. I'm sure.
No, Krishna, listen. This is sequence item. For sequence item I have given the values. Say using sequence item I have given the values. What is that? 8, 10, 25, 36, 566. Same values I am getting here now. 8, 10, 19, 24, 566. See, using sequence item 1 I didn't give any value. I have not given the value here also, I have not given the value here also. Then how can I get the values here? I'll not get, because I have not initialized any values. Correct? This is sequence item 1. See, using sequence item 1 I only gave for car and array 1. Car is Shiva, Nagesh, Anil and Divya. Am I getting that? Shiva, Nagesh, Anil and Divya I'm getting. Arrays I'm getting all these. Array, anyways, fixed array I'm getting it. And this one, enum I will get. Qs I didn't give anything, so I'm not getting it. Clear na, Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So I have not given, so I'll not get it. Next, if I compare, obviously I will get unmatched result, not matching result only. First of all, because different values we are getting. Okay. Means here if you see 5, 18, 9, 8, 18, 22, something and all. Okay. Here also you're getting some different values. Obviously, when you compare, your comparison will be failed. Okay. Once if you copy, first let me check till here. Sorry. Okay. Save. For the second memory you will not get q, because q I have not initialized using the second handle. So what I did, okay, I'm just trying to compare. If I compare, obviously I will get a not matching result. Okay, yes, see, not matching. Okay, now I will compare, I will copy, what I will copy, whatever is present in sequence item 1, that I will copy in the sequence item, which means what, q I will not get now. Okay, because in the sequence item 1 q is not present, so this complete data I am copying to the above box. Okay, so I will copy, and then I will try to compare, then I will get a matching result. Okay, save it and print it. Okay, see, this is sequence item, and this is sequence item 1. See the type ID, this is 466, this is 467. So now whatever was below I copied that above. Correct na? See, now q is not getting printed, because using sequence item 1 I didn't give anything for q, right na? So that is not getting printed, so everything got copied and I'm getting a matching result. That's it. Okay, so whenever you copy and if you try to, sorry, whenever you copy and you try to compare, definitely your result will be matching. Okay, so is it clear for everyone about the labs, sequence item labs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, others? So those who were not present, first watch yesterday's session, I mean last session, and then get back to me. Yes, Yashwant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, can you upload the recording videos?
no, no, sorry. Sorry for the delay. For your tracker, I didn't upload. For your tracker, I will upload it. Okay. For you classroom also, I will
Okay,
add. You are even not present in the Google Classroom. I will add it. Don't worry. Yeah.
okay,
Yes. Okay. Simultaneously, Yashwant, you can watch both. Like, don't wait for SV to get completed. Anyways, next week we will complete SV. But still, now itself, you can start UVM. Okay. If you want
okay,
for
ma'am.
your, if you want for the next UVM batch also, I will add you. Not a problem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.